Today, we're diving into a long-awaited feature, reading Messenger messages without sending that seen notification. Let's face it, maybe you want to read a message but need time to respond thoughtfully. Whatever the reason, having more control over your online presence is key. In this video, we'll walk through how to disable read receipts and enjoy some message reading privacy. Let's begin by opening a chat conversation where you want to disable read receipts. Tap on the name of the person you're chatting with. This will open their chat profile. Within the chat profile, look for the Privacy or Privacy Settings option. Depending on your phone's version of Messenger, the wording might differ slightly. Under Privacy Settings, you should see an option labeled Read Receipts. Tap on that. Here's the key step. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Show Read Receipts. Simply tap this switch to turn it off. A gray switch indicates read receipts are disabled for this specific chat. There you have it. Now you can read messages within this chat conversation without sending the seen notification. Remember, disabling read receipts only applies to the chosen chat. You can repeat this process for any chat where you want to manage read receipts. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Got any questions about this new feature or other Messenger tricks? Leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Thanks for watching!